Fable, or I didn't forget. I just realized that I was working in Cursor, and then it gave me a suggestion saying like, "Hey, try a Claude Fable." I'm like, "What the hell is this?" So let's quickly go through what Claude Fable is. A Mythos class model that we made safe for general use. Those of any other model that we have generally made available. It's state of the art on nearly all tested benchmarks, AI capabilities, showing exceptional performance in software engineering, knowledge work, vision, scientific research, and many other areas. Releasing a model that's capable without risk. Evaluating the Claude 5 and Mythos model. Wow, okay. So it's better. Stripe reported that Fable 5 compressed months of engineering into days. In a 50 million line Ruby code base, the model performed a code base wide migration in a day that would otherwise have taken a whole team over 2 months by hand. The Fable 5 is also more token efficient than past Claude models. Jeez. Claude Fable 5, Claude Opus. That's a huge jump. Agentic coding. Fable 5 shows a strong performance. Complex. Beats Pokemon Fire Red only using vision. Claude 5 simulates solar system, predicts solar eclipse. Using Mythos 5 internal protein design, experts accelerated of drug design process by around 10 times more. They found that Mythos 5 with protein design bioinformatics tool, but no human matches or beats skilled human operators. In doing so, the model executes all the tasks. Wow. We'll have to try this out and see how well this works. I might have to use it in my Claude code. It's available everywhere. Claude 5 Mythos is restricted to Glasswing partners. Pricing for both models is $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. Developers can use Claude 5 via Claude API. We expect demand for Fable 5 to be very high and difficult to predict. On the Claude API consumption based on Fable 5 is fully available from today. For subscription plans, we'd rather give access to it, so we're rolling out more conservatively in stages from today through June 22nd. Fable 5 is included on Pro Max. Okay, so pretty much I have it till June 22nd. We'll remove Fable 5 from those plans. Using it after will require usage card if capacity allows, and we'll extend the include window after this point. When sufficient capacity allows us to do so, we aim to restore Fable by the start of the subscription. So pretty much I better use as much as I possibly can. Let me see if I can update my Claude. Update. Cancel. Claude. I can't even remember the last stuff I was doing. Forgot what the command was. Let's see. Claude update. New version. Installing update. I mean, pretty much you get a new state-of-the-art language. New state-of-the-art model. I guess it's just better in all metrics. I'm just curious to see how well it'll perform and how well it'll do. So let's run Claude. Let's also go ahead and see what the model. Oh, there it is, Fable 5, most capable of your hardest longing to use this. Your limit's 2 times faster than Opus. At this point, I don't even know how. Honestly, I have no idea how fast these things are being consumed, in the sense that, like, I was using Opus and it wasn't too bad. In the sense that, like, I didn't get really limited on my usage besides, like, one time. But it keeps saying it'll use 2x more, you'll 2x more. Like, Opus keeps telling me it's going to use 2x more. I have no idea where the baseline is anymore, right? Like, obviously it's telling us exactly, but I need a little counter. I think you can like show a little token counter or whatever it's using. But I guess I'll save Fable 5 for later to figure out a good use case for it. But it's nice that I can use it up till the 22nd as much as I want.
We're calling it Fable 5, and this new model is crushing benchmarks, but the question is,
what does it actually like to use?
As I said before, it's really writing classic poems. And on the
right?
And what's the problem with engineers? They legitimately terribly bad. It was at design, or at least at one-shot design. And so I asked Fable to design a skills registry, and man alive, did it do a very poor job. I mean, I'm not even talking like AI slog bad, is fundamentally terrible design. Gray, black, red, simple outlines, just ship the V0 of this. The MVP. We had some successful multi-agent runs kick off a course on cybersecurity bio document that looks very long. Show an example of this. in actually Claude Code. So I have this concept of a product graph that I'm working on for ChatGPT to read it. The other
I don't know. I'll come up with a video where I kind of test out Fable, but it's pretty sick that we got a new model. I mean, it's kind of at this point like I don't necessarily know. Like, is this new model that much better when we actually try it out and use it? Like, Opus 4.7, 4.8, for I guess most general public and general people, it's not the biggest deal in the world because you'll just continue, using what you have. Nobody has a crazy use case, or at least the general public or the general power users or business users do not necessarily need Fable 5 or even necessarily need Opus 4.8. Obviously, a lot of developers do, but the general public, when I'm asking a question, even in Claude Code, you don't need to ask it in Opus 4.8.